Hi guys, this is Bosslady Shruti, and if you know me, you know I am a lipstick lover, a lipstick hoarder, a lipstick collector. I just love them lippies. And when L'Oreal Paris told me, Shruti, we are extending your favorite lipsticks nude shade line, I was like, Mama has to have it. These are the L'Oreal Paris Matte Resistance Liquid Lipsticks. And you know how much I have raved about them. I have made videos on them. I have used them non-stop. I use them every day. And our beloved Alia Bhatt is the new brand ambassador for L'Oreal Paris. I mean, very befitting if you ask me. And these two shades are Alia Bhatt approved. So, you know, I'm gonna try it for myself. This is the shade 601 Worth It, which is also called the Alia shade. I think this shade is going to be perfect for fair to medium skin girlies. On us deeper, browner skin girlies, this will definitely need a lip liner. But I'm excited to try the Worth It medium because I feel that's better suited for tan to deeper Indian skin tones. This right here is 635 Worth It medium, and I feel this is going to be perfect for Indian tan skin tones. Honestly, I don't know how L'Oreal Paris does it every time. This shade is such a stunning color on my skin tone. I think Worth It medium is a definite buy for anyone, I guess, NC 42 and up. This really complements the warm undertones that we have. This is like my everyday pinky mauvey nude. Love it. Next up is 645 Crush Alert, and this is exactly how I would describe this color also. It's like when you have your first crush and the color of your heart, that is exactly how this is. It is very flattering and perfect for a romantic feel. Next up, we have 665 First Move. This is such a beautiful color. This is the kind of brown lip that makes richer skin tones pop, and I feel like deeper skin tone girlies are going to love this shade. So this is a definite buy for someone who's of deeper skin tone. Last but definitely not the least, we have 630 Rose Heat. This is a beautiful, little rusty, peachy nude. I love that this has got slightly warmer undertone, and I think this will look beautiful with a lip liner again. And I think this is perfect for the festive season that is upon us. You know, honestly, the reason why I love this range is because these lipsticks are transfer resistant, smudge resistant, and last up to 16 hours. I don't think I've ever made my lipstick last for that long, but if I wanted to, I know that it will stay put. I have eaten with this, I have drank with this, I have literally spent my entire day without even one touch up. And that's why this is my number one go-to. If there is just one shade that you want to get from this, you try out the Worth It medium. I think that is a definite must-have for anybody close to my skin tone or even deeper. I think that is going to be perfect. It's going to be your everyday shade. Trust me. These are priced at $9.99. So I think for the quality that you get, the price is justified. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried these lipsticks and which shade is your favorite. So yes, I guess that is it. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and that notification bell to be notified every time Mom makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy.